what I'm not doing is putting hot wax on my cootie cat at home. That's what I'm not about to do. Not me. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. This is Malibu Darby. If it's not your first time watching, welcome back. I am awkwardly laughing because I'm excited but also very nervous for today. So like most of you guys, I have been home a lot on quarantine, and even though my city is opening on Friday in a couple days, I'm not comfortable doing certain things. So, you know, nails is one thing, things like that are one thing, but I can't bring myself to get my eyebrows done, and they are in severe need. My hair's in need, everything's in need. We've all been losing it. But eyebrows to me is just so up close and personal. You have to touch my face. It's just, I can't bring myself. So today we're gonna wax our lip, our eyebrows. We're gonna do a little home waxing. So before we jump right into it, go ahead and hit subscribe on the way to 7,000. Hit the notification bell so you can know when I post. And without further ado, let's jump into hopefully having eyebrows by the end of this video. All right, y'all, so I have everything that I need. I have my little kit here. I have not heated my wax up yet because I have some things I want to do before that. So here is the kit that I'm using today. This is the Sally Hansen stripless wax for faces and small areas. It's microwavable eyebrow, face, and lip wax kit. Says they last up to 8 weeks. Honestly, I just need eyebrows. It's making it hard to even do makeup at this point because my eyebrows have no shape. I'm gonna bring you guys in. There we go. So as you can see, I don't have a lot of eyebrow hair, but it is like not defined, so it's just kind of all over the place. So really what I'm doing today is just making some shape. So this kit was like $8 after everything. It comes with aftercare lotion. It also comes with these little stencils for your eyebrows, which I won't be using because these literally never fit my eyebrows and never work for me, so I'm not using those. It also comes with a little instruction manual, which I'll be honest, I kind of skimmed it. I feel like I can figure this out, so not really using that. And then it comes with the actual microwavable wax, which I will go heat up in a few seconds. It comes with this little spatula. So these are actually heat sensitive words. So if your wax is too hot, the words on the spatula will disappear. And then it comes with a little wooden stick just to also help with application. So I've already washed my face. There's nothing on my face but a little bit of moisturizer. But I did go ahead and clean my brows off. So I am going to go ahead and just brush my brow hairs up. I'm not using the stencil, but what I am gonna do is just use this little white NYX pencil to outline the shape that I usually do my brows in, so it makes it easier to see where I don't want the hair. And I'm using the white just so it's easier to see. I've seen barbers and estheticians do this before, so I'm just gonna outline my brows really quickly and then we'll get to the actually waxing portion. So that's a little crazy, but I feel like I've adequately lined where I want to keep the hair. So now I'm just gonna go heat my wax up and we'll get started. Okay, I think let's do our lip first. I'm gonna do my lip first, because that's a little less exact, I feel like, than your eyebrows. I'm gonna do my lip first. I just got my little spatula. It says to go in the direction of the hair. Okay, now it's ready. I'm gonna do 2 parts on my lip. I'm already regretting doing this. And now I'm gonna let it cool. While I'm letting that cool, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side because I don't want the whole jar to cool. Sorry y'all, I wanna make sure y'all can see, but I also want to make sure I'm not like messing up my lip. Go in the direction, nope. Oh, this is gonna hurt to move this off. Okay, this little bit that got on my lip is gonna hurt. I just know it is, okay. Pull the skin taut and get a little bit. Okay, but I got the hair. I know y'all can't see, but I got hair, so okay, not bad. This one's gonna hurt. Pull the skin taut. I think I've already kind of figured out what the best thing to do. Definitely got hair on that one. Okay, I already know the best way to apply it. I'm glad I did my lip first. Okay, so now I'm going to put some of that aftercare lotion that comes with the kit on my lips so we can get to the brows. And it says it has some benzocaine in it, so it has some numbing properties, just in case you're like irritated or anything. Yes, no mustache. Okay, brows. Ooh, it's starting to get hard. Okay. So don't move too slow with the wax. Got it. And I know that my fan is not helping. Okay, I cut my fan off because it was starting to make the wax get hard, and I really don't want to like have to rush because the wax is getting hard. I actually might heat it up again. Let's see if I can get through at least one brow. Okay. So let's see, I'm gonna start underneath. Oh, no, no, no. I'm gonna have to heat this up again. This is way too thick. Yeah, this is way too thick now. And I also got some like kind of on my lid. I'm gonna go heat it up again. Let me try to get this little piece off. All right, y'all. Pull the skin taut. Oh, that wasn't bad. But I think it's because it's not hot enough. Let me go heat this up again. I feel like I'm gonna have to heat this up a couple times, honestly. But while it's warm, I'm gonna try to hit as many little patches as I can. Okay, I'm gonna start with this part up here. Okay, we still got eyebrows. The arch is kind of what I'm most concerned about. To me, that's been the hardest, trying to cover that with concealer. Oh, I got some big hairs. Okay, y'all, I feel like this is starting to get harder, faster. I'm just trying to get really close under this arch now. I'm really going to have to heat this up again. At this point, I'm just trying not to damage my eyelid skin. Like, I need that. That was good. But I think that's good for now. And then I can always go back with like the little razor and clean it up, which I feel like even when I get my eyebrows threaded, they do like a couple different things. They do a little bit of threading, they do a little bit of tweezing, a little bit of scissors. So I feel like it's okay for me to do, you know, a couple different little methods to get them exactly like I want them. Not bad. Okay, let's do this next one before this freezes up on me again. Okay, now that we know, I'm gonna start with the top. That went the best last time, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with the top. Okay, so I'm gonna take some nice hot wax. I'm gonna go in the direction of the hair. I'm gonna let that start to harden. Then I'm gonna go ahead under here to the arch, in the direction of the hair. I'm gonna drag that all the way out to the end. Okay, this is hard. I'm gonna pull the skin tight, and I think I'm gonna have to do my opposite hand. That wasn't bad. Okay, pull the skin tight, and oh, pull the skin tight. I lost my little piece. Didn't even take that off. Okay. Decent. I got some thick hairs. Do a little bit more under the arch. Getting really close to my arch is what the problem is, because I'm like also trying to make sure I don't pull off the middle of my eyebrow. In my head, I feel like I tried this before in high school, like this exact kit. Maybe my memory has blacked it out because of trauma, but I feel like I've done this before. Just so I feel like I'm really doing something, and because I have extra wax. Yep. Okay, so grab this. Boom. Okay, y'all, so I cleaned my eyebrows up. it says you'll have some redness, so that is not weird. Don't be alarmed by the redness. I'm just putting some witch hazel just to kind of soothe them. I'll probably do an aloe mask later, which I always do when I get waxed. And I'm going to use this aftercare lotion. That is a lot. Okay, that is a lot, but I'm just going to rub that on there. Now my whole forehead is going to be numb. And then let's see. So I don't have a lot of eyebrow hair anyway, like I said, but they are definitely more cleaned up. I feel like putting makeup on is gonna be a lot easier. And honestly, it didn't hurt. That was inexpensive. It'll be much faster when I actually know what I'm doing. So until further notice, I will be waxing my own eyebrows and my own lip because this was a go for me. So I recommend this Sally Hansen kit. I know people said there are other kits they use and other waxes they use. So if you do at-home waxing, please drop the brand that you like below. This was kind of a last-minute haphazard run to the store and grab it kind of thing. But if this is gonna be something I'm doing, I would love to actually order something off Amazon or like invest in a higher quality brand and kind of practice and learn a little bit more about it. But for now, I am self-waxing at home, not doing bikini wax or Brazilian or anything like that. No. But thank you guys so much for watching. We still have eyebrows, we still have our upper lip, so this was a success in my book. If you are a advanced home waxer, drop your suggestions and advice in the description box below. I'm sure you were probably cringing at the methods I was using and the way I was doing this. But thanks for watching, guys. I just know it's quarantine, so I'm just like, we gotta find some way to get back to normal and do the things we need to do, even if it means not going to our usual people and our usual routines. So that is all. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.